Okay, Faulkner fixes all. I'm here, working. This is just about at the limit of the height of this press. It's very close to not working, but you know what? It is going to work. We'll hold this bearing retainer out of the way. Boy, I got lucky on this one. As you can see, it's going in, and there's only a little bit of room down there without me cutting that bar out, which would be really exciting to ruin your press. It's going. And we'll release it a little bit. Let it find its little happy home. Okay, and that new bearing is on. It's pressed against the axle very nicely, and the retainer wasn't damaged. Now I got to put the keeper on. I got to take this out of here, and it's really tight. Now let's make sure we got that on there first. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We'll spin it a little bit. Check over here. It's on there. It is in like Flynn. Okay, so we're gonna, I guess we gotta wrestle this out of here. Next video.